Keep your vision strong. How do you maintain your mission at the forefront of your mind and of all that you do? First, we may have thoughts or ideas, big or small. We may desire that things be a certain way. What are some things you could be doing each day to make that happen? Second, we may have tried to do something once or a few times. We may have had some success, but got distracted by something else. How could you consistently be making and taking decisive action to push you towards the end result? Third, we may have a notion of how things will look, feel, or be if or when we achieve some goal. We may not be sure exactly how long it will take, but how can you visualize with great specificity and detail how things will be when you have accomplished your goal? So the likelihood that you attain that objective becomes that much larger as you can almost experience it now. Envision exactly what you would like to happen. Hold firm to that and do not give up. Be relentless. Please support this channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe so these messages can be communicated. And as always, stay focused.